Hi. So we're going to do another one of these fun tours today. This one is 2238 square feet, and they're asking $378,750 for this one. Brand new construction, because that's where I get to show you a lot of new homes. And you can see they're going to have a 2-car garage. Before we go on into this garage too much, because you can see it really nicely here, you do have that water heater in the back in like a bump out area. So that looks super cool to me. We'll just quickly look at it, because then we'll go into the house, which is the beautiful part. Definitely you can fit 2 cars here. And notice bump out area is not always in all these places. You have extra space for this water heater, which is lovely. And of course, when you bring your groceries, you're going to go in that door, but we're going to go in the front way right now. So let's just check it out. It's got this beautiful sage green color, lovely, beautiful. It's pretty much ready to be moved in at this point. So let's go check it out. You have a nice front porch area. You can definitely put a rocking chair and meet all your neighbors on this corner. And we are a bit on a circular part, so you can see all the cars as they go by, but you are not an end, but you are a nice little part of the corner. So anyway, let's go inside this beautiful house, and I can tell you what other clients have done with this house. This is an upgraded door, so you can see in as well. So you have lots of light coming in this house. So you have the lights here, and then the lights all around, so plenty of places. Now, we are in technically the foyer, but also to my right over here is the dining. But before we move on from the foyer, to my left is the office / 4th bedroom. So I would make this my office if I had my own office. Double doors. You could also make this a secondary bedroom because it does have a nice double door closet as well. So it's a beautiful little closet, and I love how much light this room is getting as well. And I just wanted to bring you into the office / 4th bedroom first. That way you have a nice real sense of options for this house. So if you need an office, boom. If you need a bedroom, boom. And on the other side of still by the front door, we haven't seen the rest of the house, we also have the formal dining. Not everybody has a formal dining area, but those who want it, you do have this lovely at the bottom. You have tray ceilings at the top. So you have a really nice formal dining area as well. Now, and what else is nice is this little bump out area, so I can be talking to whoever's in my dining room, and then I can still be here. Also, at the end of the foyer, so if you were just coming in the door, and you want to put your jackets right away, like it's a day where I'm wearing a jacket, I could hang my jacket right here and then continue on into the house. Now let's check out the most exciting part, which is open concept everything with new construction. This house has the upgraded dark wood, which is an upgrade at this point, and beautiful. Look at this beautiful granite. This is not a usual granite. This is definitely an upgraded granite. So you are in a kitchen that is very big. You have a pantry over here that is also very big. I had to turn the light on. I can literally stand inside my pantry. And then before we leave, if I was coming in from the garage, I have 2 options here. I have a bathroom for my guests, half bath. And I also have a place where I can have all my storage. So if I'm getting my groceries, I can put my groceries here, hang my jacket, put my shoes, a nice little area here as well. And I haven't shown you any bedrooms, but look at this beautiful kitchen. Obviously, your refrigerator goes here. No, your oven goes here. You'll have a microwave. Dishwasher goes here. And behind the cameraman would be where the refrigerator goes. This is the refrigerator because that's where the water is, which makes sense because that's the dining room. Then you have this whole open concept area that is beautiful. You can put the TV here or there because it is wired in 2 places. So some people are pro TV above the fireplace, and some people are like, I don't want my fireplace for that, and it's also wired right here. So you have 2 options to decide where you would put your couch and then your living room area. Also, to go outside really quickly to show you the backyard, this is what. New construction, I probably locked it. I have to unlock. No, it's the top lock I didn't lock. Okay, here we go. You can still see it goes pretty much to the end of where the grass is. You can see. So you can see, obviously, that in the field is back there is going to be something else in the future. You do have beautiful sage green corner, so you do have a little bit more space in the backyard than a usual backyard because it is kind of like on a turn. So let's go back inside the house, and I will show you the 2 more bedrooms. We're going to go over here. Again, so many options. You could put your living room this way, have a little more of a sitting area over there. You could put a sitting area here as well. You have so many options. If you want to have a breakfast nook, you could put it there, here. Open concept means we get to design our space, right? Now let's go check out the 2 other bedrooms before we go back across the hall. So we come in from the concept. We have this bedroom on the side, which is the one most inside the house. Still a double doors for closet, and a single window in this one. So you could definitely fit a queen size bed in here, probably a king. I don't want to promise something, but I would say a king could fit. Moving on, you have another closet right here, which is your linen closet for your linens. Laundry room, in case you've been wondering, is over here by the 2 bedrooms over here. So you do have to come check on the kids at some point because you have to do laundry in this section. Oh. And then you also have a little thing above the laundry. Moving on, here is the kids' bathroom. Notice how I'm saying kids because, well, still a dark wood, upgraded. This is quartz, and it's a nice bathroom. The other kids' bedroom over here, or adult bedroom, however you want to do it, would be over here. This one has the double windows, so you get more light in this one. You still definitely fit a queen, probably a king. And then you have another set of double doors for closet. So plenty of space. I have to actually walk to get to the other side. So they're big closets, so I just want to kind of point that out. Now, and these are designed to have fans. If you wanted to upgrade the fan later, it does have the 2. So it means you can put a fan on it. Now let's go to the master, which is, the primary bedroom, which is the reason why many people are going to buy this home. And again, I get to wallow in my lovely open concept. You can do cartwheels in here. Okay, lovely upgrade of this room. Freshly cleaned. Check out that lovely bump out, the tray ceiling. 3 windows in here. So you have lots of light in this master. Lots of light, but you're wondering where the closet is and the bathroom is? Let's continue on. It is new construction. It will have at one point behind the door. It will have a glass door, so don't think you're not going to get a glass door. You can even see that they started to put little holes in where the glass is going to go. So it will have a glass door, but you also have that sit down. You also have a sink, garden tub, 2 sinks over here. The commode is over here in its own room, so if, someone's doing things, you don't have to smell it. And a nice big walk-in closet. What I love about walk-in closets is you can actually fit all your stuff in a walk-in closet. So, let's go back out. I hope you love these videos. I love showing you these houses. These are beautiful houses. And I'm so excited that this one is available for you to buy whenever you want it. So I will talk to you soon.